The wild unknown.
Hollywood Great Vibrations.
Hi, my name is Jayden. In this episode of Room 108's Weird Animal Podcast, we'll be learning about the Scotoplanes. The Scotoplanes have many names, like sea pig or lepidae, but sea pig is the most famous one. The family that the sea pigs are in are called the Echinodermata. This family contains brittle stars, starfish, sea cucumbers, and feather stars. But the sea pigs are sea cucumbers. The sea pigs are invertebrates, meaning their body doesn't have a spine. In fact, they don't have bones at all. You're probably thinking that Scotoplanes are small so they eat small things. Well, that's wrong. Scotoplanes eat anything that falls from higher parts of the sea and stuff that is buried in the seafloor. The things they eat from the seafloor are broken down algae. And they're not picky. They'll probably eat anything in the mud that has nutrients. And anything that falls from the higher waters are all meals for the Scotoplanes. Scotoplanes have very interesting ways of finding food. One of their methods is their sense of smell, but they can smell very well. There's a second method for the Scotoplanes, though. The antenna-looking thing they have are actually improved feet that help them sense chemical traces of their meal. You probably think that you heard enough of this gross creature, but the fun will continue. Some people might think that Scotoplanes are weak and innocent, but no. When they feel threatened, they will shoot out their organs from their anus. And don't say this is a pointless move, and they will get themselves killed. Because the Scotoplanes can actually regrow body parts, and they do that to distract their predators. And the only predators that will eat them are small parasites and tiny snails. Only those small animals can eat them, since the Scotoplane's outer body is covered in poison. That's why no fish ever eat them. That might be interesting, but the most interesting part is Scotoplanes are used as a bus for baby king crabs. The king crabs ride the Scotoplanes because the Scotoplanes keep fish away, so it decreases the chance of the crab being eaten. Now it's time to tell you the body shape of the Scotoplanes. The Scotoplanes have tentacle-looking things around their mouth, but they are not replacements for teeth. The Scotoplanes actually have an organ called the radula that helps them break their food instead of teeth. And after hearing that the Scotoplanes can regenerate, you might think they are not sensitive, but they are very sensitive, especially to the temperature. If they go any higher in the water, their body will start breaking down, and they will die. After hearing what I said, I hope that Scotoplanes are no longer strange animals to you.